Hi, this is Deborah Harris bringing to you a cash flow lever tip on cost of goods sold or cost of sales. Now, cost of sales is both a profit and a cash flow lever because cost of sales is a cost of your business that varies with how much product you actually sell. So every time you sell something, there's these things that cost you a little bit of money to actually produce that good or service, and they're called your cost of goods sold or your cost of sales. And they also influence cash flow because the more you have to pay for employees, or the more you have to pay for raw materials to use in manufacture, the more you have costs of your business. They're not necessarily bad costs because they're actually associated with selling, but we want to make sure that we don't have any wastage in our processes. So the tip of today is automate repetitive costly processes. So if we've got processes that are not adding to the value that we're delivering to our customer, and I'll give some examples here. So for example, if you're creating an online program, then sending somebody a link to the online program by hand sending emails to 100 clients is a repetitive process, and it's costly because it costs someone time to do that. So you can automate that using autoresponders that automatically send out the email to say, here's the link, here's the reminder, this is where you click on it. So we're talking about automating those things. Your customer is still getting the link. The customer is still getting the ability to tap into your service. You're just reducing the amount of time that it takes for that to happen. An example for a repetitive costly process in a business may be to pick up widget A and shift it to widget B. And it may be possible for a big manufacturing plant, for instance, to have a machine that actually does that for you, so that you can actually eliminate having a person standing there picking something up and carrying it somewhere else. However, obviously automating that by putting robots into your business may not actually be the least costly alternative. So there's lots of things that you can do. If you have a look around your business, have a look at what we repeat on a regular basis. Have a look at whether it's really costing us a lot of money to repeat that process, and see if there's a way that you can either automate or semi-automate that process to take the heavy lifting or the metaphorical heavy lifting out of it. This has been a cost of goods sold tip about cash flow.